Leftover turkey can be used for so many things. There's turkey sandwiches, turkey pot pie, and today's recipe. Now, all you need is chopped or shredded turkey, gut-busting turkey gravy, and dreamy, creamy mashed potatoes. Today, I'm going to show you how to put those all together, and the result will be something that is often called turkey slop, which I think sounds disgusting. So I'll call it turkey mash, and it is a 10 on the comfort food scale. Are you ready? The kitchen is now open. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Family is built at the dinner table, and I want to help you to build yours with recipes, cooking skills, and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home. Today, we're taking a quick trip to the land of comfort food. Come on over to the stove. Let's cook up something good. Now, I am working with totally leftover food. We're not doing anything made fresh tonight. So we have leftover gut-busting turkey gravy, leftover turkey, and that was top-notch turkey, as a matter of fact. And then I reheated our mashed potatoes, the dreamy, creamy mashed potatoes, in the microwave. Now, I just want to show you really quickly, my leftover turkey was chunked up like this because I chopped it so I could make turkey pot pie, but I had way too much for that. So we're making this yummy alternative leftover meal. So I started with heating the gravy through, and then I added the turkey. And once it was heating, I used this potato masher just to literally mash that turkey against the bottom of the pan. And the warmer the turkey got, the easier it was to mash. Now, if you have shredded turkey rather than chunked, even better, because it will already just mix right into the gravy. Now, notice how thick and rich this looks. It's very, very meaty. That's the point, because this is a meal. Now, really, we're ready to go. You can see why they call it turkey slop, but yeah, anyway, we're not going to do that. We're going to pull out our dreamy, creamy mashed potatoes, and I'll tell you, this is the perfect comfort food if you're thinking about Black Friday. You come back from shopping, you're tired, you're cold and all of that, and you've got leftovers from Thanksgiving. This is perfect. So we're just going to dish up our mashed potatoes, and you know how it is with mashed potato. Oops, boy, I made a mess. It was looking so pretty there for a second. You got to make a little well in the middle, and you can put your turkey gravy right on top of there, or some people like to add a little extra richness and extra flavor by dropping some butter or margarine on the potatoes first, and then we're just going to dish up that thick, rich turkey gravy right over the top. Now, you can't see the butter, but believe me, you'll be able to taste it. And I'm going to use this paper towel to clean up the edge of my plate. And now all you need is some leftover cranberries, maybe some leftover vegetables, and you have a beautiful comfort meal. Turkey mash. It's quick, it's easy, it's hearty, it's delicious, and it takes less than 10 minutes to make, and your family will love it. Family is built at the dinner table, and if you feed them turkey mash, trust me, they will come.
All to the fatter.